Hey guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Crystal. I do DIYs, reviews, hauls, and much more. And today's video, I'm going to share some small little crafts that I did or DIYs for my guest room. I wanted to do kind of like a Beetlejuice theme. Not go too crazy, so just simple little Beetlejuice decorations. So yeah, if you want to see how I did it, please keep watching. There is one that I was inspired by, I think the Spirit store. I really loved the sign, but I didn't like the price. So if you want to see how I did it my way, please keep watching. Thanks. So I'm painting a snake that I got from the Dollar Tree. It is a white matte, and then you're going to tape off areas that you want to be black. Next, I'm going to take some crafting paint in green to paint his mouth and also red to paint the eyes. Then we're going to work on a vase. The bow is from the Dollar Tree and the flowers are also from the Dollar Tree, and I painted the vase black. Here's that sign that I was talking about. I did not want to pay $29.99 for it, so grabbed an old sign from Target, took it apart, painted it black, and now I'm going to make it look a little distressed and kind of like just old and cemetery-like with white paint and also black, and mixing it up to be like a grayish color. For some reason, my black paint I think was not good, so if you see little black spots all over the cardboard, it's because the paint was actually coming off. Now I'm going over the area with a pretty thin piece of paper, kind of like tissue paper. Cut it up, Mod Podging it, and now I'm going to paint around the edges. My Mod Podge was pretty old, so I had to use my finger to spread it around, but we got it to work. I was pretty messy with this project. I wanted it to look old and distressed, so it didn't matter to me if things were not perfectly aligned or cut. So now I just use my Cricut to pick out some letters and write Beetlejuice's name and put it on the sign. It did take some of the paper off, but again, it didn't really matter to me. It made it look more distressed. Now I'm taking that deer moss from the Dollar Tree and hot gluing it around the edges. And we're also going to glue it on the brown cord as well. So here I'm just gluing back the cord together and the deer moss on the rope. Here's the finished product. I really liked how everything came out. I even did some old school book covering and made some letters off the Cricut and found a picture and created the same book from the movie, and then just printed out some pictures. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed these DIYs, crafting ideas, and gave you some inspiration. If it did, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more videos like this and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when my next video will be up. I appreciate you watching till the end. Please be sure to follow me on TikTok. Sometimes I do have other DIYs on there as well. So until then, guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye.